I'm making a playable sewer diorama for a monster called the Otyugh. They survive on human refuse and don't normally pose a threat to people, but workers digging a pit to repair a sewer pipe caused this one to become territorial. And just like for those workers, the process of making this was anything but smooth, starting off with my making a box out of plastic card that was way too thick to cut. I'm roughing out the shape of the excavated pit with foam. So I forgot that I needed to pre-cut a hole to insert the 3D prints into later, and I forgot to bring those 3D prints to my crafting area. So I cut a quasi-round shape into the foam, not wanting to be too big and need to gap fill, not too small and not be able to get my tools in to shape it. I ended up digitally scanning this pile of beams, so if you want to download it and print it for yourself, it's on my mini factory. I'll put a link in the description. I'm blocking out space for a manhole cover, so it'll be flush with the ground level once I put on the sculptor mold. Same with the other game elements. I'm getting them glued in now, so they're not floating above the dirt ground, but they're part of it. I finally got the 3D printed pieces, and I'm excited to put them in. Widening that hole to fit the sewer pipe was an absolute chore. When in doubt, try using fire. I didn't have any tape on hand, so I'm proud of this little 3D masking block since I had already painted the outhouse and I needed to prime everything. This is purple for the same reason the entire painting process is kind of a mess. I once heard from an art instructor not to use black for shadows, and this is my attempt to follow that half-remembered advice. I've got all these suggestions on how to do things better, but my hands don't know how to do what my brain has heard about, so I end up in a constant flow of trying to fix my last mistakes, then fixing the mistake my fix introduced, and so on, until I'm tired and I'm ready to say it's done. I'm happy with this 90s era Nickelodeon quality goop. I both like the green color for contrast, and I lack the courage to model poop sludge in miniature. It's a shame to get rid of this ombre. I didn't intend for it, but it looked really cool. I would have kept it had I not already got a ton of other paint already on it. Alright, see you for the glamour shots.